Hello, Ludmila. How many months do you have in Dubai once your visa is canceled? Well, these days you can even remain in the UAE up to 6 months. So it depends on the type of visa that you were here first. It depends on what passport you hold. And it also depends on what reasons you're staying here for. So, under the current immigration law, there are different ways for you to extend your visa. So, but you do need to make sure that you do request the extension of the visa before it expires. So, by default, in the past, there was a 30-day grace period, and now it's over the last 3 years or so. The grace period has changed quite a bit, but it really depends on the person's passport. Sometimes it's 60 days, the default, that is a grace period, and other times for different passport holders it could be 90 days. So you need to check to see, make sure that you know which grace period would apply to you, and then if you want to stay longer prior to that grace period expiring, make sure that you apply for another extension. So that's the key. So if, like, for example, your grace period is 90 days and you want to extend for additional 90 days, then you will be able to extend for an additional 90 days, which will give you 180 days, which is 6 months of the year. But you do need to make sure that if you want to avail yourself of that particular grace period, you need to apply prior to the 90 days expiring.